a nice charger, some floral foam cut to size, glued inside the charger, and we are going to make us a very pretty centerpiece. We're going to wrap our floral foam with evergreen garland. I use U-pins to attach it. Once it's all secured, I go back with the glue and make sure that it's in place. We're going to use this very pretty yarn Christmas tree. I will attach the tutorial that I did for it, and I'm going to put it right in the center. First, I'm going to put glue, and then I'm also going to secure it with those U-pins. And then we're going to surround the whole thing with more evergreen garland all the way around. Now, when you put the glue on here, be careful because we still have to insert more floral end picks. Fluff it up. You always gotta fluff it up pretty. I'm going to start with some simple greenery, a little fluffed, and I'm starting from the base of my floral foam. And I'm doing this in a triangle shape around the base of my foam. When I go back with more greenery, instead of the bottom of the foam, I'm going to put my greenery a little bit more on top, as you see me do now. Again, always in a triangle shape. I'm going in with some white 60919 that I cut down, and I actually split the branches in half because I'm putting it in on the top of the foam, but I'm going back and putting more on the bottom, so I didn't want it to be overwhelming. If you prefer, this could very well be poinsettias that you are putting in or other type of flowers that you prefer. And I'm dipping all my picks into my glue pot, so once it goes in, it's nice and secured. And you see how the flowers with the greenery, the 60919, it is nice and even all around. I'm going in with some ribbon tails, and I chose this soft pink with a little bit of white and gold on it. And again, I'm doing 3 tails, and I'm inserting them with the floral pins. And again, on a triangle shape around my centerpiece, as I will be going back in with a different type of ribbon. Inserting some more greenery. I'm putting in some gold leaves. It's not too much of a sparkly gold. It's a soft gold because we will be putting in some more gold elements, and I wanted those extra elements to be the primary gold. So this is just like a soft touch that enhanced the look of my and the colors of my ribbon. So here's my 2.5-inch ribbon. Again, if you don't prefer the ribbon tails, you can totally leave them out. That's entirely up to what kind of look you prefer. And I did 3 gold tails in between the 3 white tails. I have these precious deer that I purchased from Dollar Tree, I believe, and these cute little wooden signs, and I just made them a little necklace and a little touch in my centerpiece. And then I took some golden reindeer ornaments and I placed them in the arrangement as well. So it's not overwhelming, but it's there. I went in with some Christmas lights. They are battery operated. I will take a picture tonight. Hope you enjoyed.